Llandecwyn, Penrhyn Deubrau, Menforth, Porthmadog, Criccieth, Penrhyn, Aberystwyth and Pwllheli. Platform 2 was the 1557 Arriva Trains Wales service to Pwllheli. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. Llanaber, Talmont, Dyffryn ar Digri, Llanbedr, Pensaerniu, Llandannu, Teiwyn, Cylchfarnau, Llandecwyn, Penrhyn and Aberystwyth are request stops, and passengers boarding these stations should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to alight.
Barmouth Station, North Wales. This is the Cambrian Coast train to Pwllheli. Just drawing into the station now. Arriva Trains Cymru.